Hola foodies! Welcome to Shweta's Lifestyle. Today's recipe is a non-veg snack item, chicken Manchurian in Indo-Chinese style. I'm gonna show you how to prepare this in a simple way. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. Here I have about 250 grams of boneless chicken. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 beaten egg, add it into the chicken pieces and mix it well. You can also add egg white alone instead of adding full one. Now I am going to coat the chicken with 3 teaspoons of corn flour and mix everything well. Marination is very important as it helps to tenderize the chicken. So set this aside for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Now take a kadai and heat the oil until hot enough to fry. Then gently drop the marinated chicken pieces into the hot oil. Deep fry the chicken pieces on a medium flame until golden and crisp. Keep flipping in between and make sure that it cooks all the sides evenly. When the chicken is done cooking, the bubbles will begin to reduce. So we can see that it is nicely cooked in and out. Let's transfer all these chicken pieces to a plate. Let's transfer this oil to another bowl and see how to prepare sauce. Here I have added 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Here I am adding half a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger pieces. Fry these ginger garlic pieces until aromatic. Once it is fried, add in few cubed onions. Saute it well until the onions becoming transparent. Then add few capsicum pieces and saute it again. Wait until the raw smell goes off completely. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now keep the flame on high and mix everything well. Goes in half a teaspoon of sugar and mix it well. Our next step is to add the corn syrup. Let's see how to prepare this. Here I am taking a teaspoon of corn flour, followed with some water and mix it without any lumps. Now I am going to add the corn syrup into this. Check for seasoning and add some salt and chili powder according to your taste. Chili powder is completely optional. Instead, you can also use pepper powder. At this stage, I am going to add the fried chicken pieces. Saute it well and allow the chicken pieces to take all the spices. Now I'm gonna add 2 to 3 spoons of tomato sauce. Now salt everything well and allow it to cook for at least 2 minutes. You can also add some water while adding the corn syrup if you want this chicken Manchurian to be really juicy. That's all. Turn off the stove and serve it hot. Here you go, the delicious and yummy chicken Manchurian. You can enjoy this as a snack, otherwise this also can be served with fried rice, noodles, etc. Hope you all liked. Please subscribe to Shweta's Lifestyle and click on the bell icon for more updates.